Hey, what's up, Synatiq here, and in this video I'll be showing you 5 things to do after a new Ryzen based system to ensure that you're getting the most out of your new CPU. So to get started off with this video, the first thing you need to do after a new Ryzen build is to download and install AMD's chipset drivers. You can easily install them by heading off into the description below of this video and onto AMD's support page. Then go into chipsets, then onto AMD socket AM4, select your motherboard's model, submit, download the latest driver and install the software onto your system. Next, we're going to be enabling Ryzen high performance power plant to ensure that we are squeezing out every single bit of performance we can. You can do that by pressing the Windows key on your keyboard and then typing in control panel. Select the first thing that comes up, then go into system and security, power options, show additional plans, and finally select the AMD Ryzen high performance power plan. Following on from that, we're going to be changing some of our boot settings to make sure our system boots up quickly, as well as that we're going to be installing a program called Quick CPU. So what you'll need to do is to press the Windows key on your keyboard once again and type in msconfig and select the first option that comes up. Next, select the boot tab, then advanced options, check the box that says number of processors and select the biggest number possible. Press OK, then check the box that says no GUI boot and change the timeout to about 3 seconds. Press apply, OK, and it will ask you if you want to restart your machine. Restart it, then come back onto this video for the next step. After you restarted, what you want to do is to head off into the description below once again and go onto the link that says Quick CPU, then download and install the program onto your PC. And once it has loaded, select the power plan you've selected before. Then put the core parking index to 100%, turbo boost index to 100%, as well as putting the frequency scaling index to 100%. Apply, press OK, then you can close out of that. For the last 2 steps, you need to test your CPU and make sure it is running correctly. You can do that by once again going into the description below of this video, then going onto the Cinebench download page, then install the program onto your PC and test your CPU to make sure it is getting similar scores to other systems with the same CPU. After that, you can download MSI Afterburner, HWMonitor or Ryzen Master. Links to all 3 of these programs will be in the description below to check and make sure your CPU is not drastically overheating and is running smoothly. And then you're done. You have successfully installed and optimized your new Ryzen CPU for gaming, as well as any other demanding tasks. If you guys have found this video helpful, please leave a like and consider subscribing for more videos like this. This has been Synatiq and I'll see you guys in the next one.